let me start with the first indicator. So I'm gonna start with the force index. No, I'm gonna start with the force index. So let me just make it visible like that. So here we are. This is Elder's force index. Ne? So it's EFI with average true range. Ne? So the average true range or the ATR is just some kind of modifications, but the original indicator, it was just Elder's force index ne? Because it was developed by Mr. Elder, the author of Trading for a Living, ne? The author of that book. So it is him who came up with this indicator. Ne? So that's why it is named after him. So what do I look for when I'm using this indicator? Ne? So this indicator, I want you to keep this in mind. It helps me to see which side is in power, and it also reveals major turning points. Ne? So it shows me two things: which side is in power, and it also revealed to me major turning point of the price. Ne? So how do I interpret it? So the blue line, ne, it is the force index, ne? And then the white one, don't pay much attention to the gray ones. I'm going to explain them. So the white one, it is a moving average, ne? So these red dots, it is the center line or the zero line, ne? Usually when price is moving above the zero line, this red one, it basically means that the bulls are in power, ne? Or the bears are in power, ne? And same thing applies when price goes below the red line or the zero line. It means that the bears are in power. Yeah, I hope that is making sense. So if it's above the red line, it means that okay, it's kind of like an uptrend or bulls are in control, and if it's below, it's like bears are in control. Yeah. Then if you see the force index, which means the blue line, showing you signs of reversing or going down, you need to know that this is likely gonna be a major turning point coming in. And how do you see if it's gonna go down? You wait for it to cross or to touch the moving average. If it touches the moving average, it indicates to you a turning point. As you can see here, it's touched the moving average, it indicated a turning point. Same thing applied here. It crossed the moving average all the way up, meaning the turning point was going to go all the way up, and this was the turning point. Then as a trader, these red dots or green dots, although I do pay attention to them, but I usually don't use them as my primary focus. Although they also indicate some highs and lows of the market. They indicate some highs and lows of the market using the average true range channel. So I hope that is making sense. Just to reveal to you guys the settings of the indicator, I've just removed a lot of things, because even on the average true range, you can see that there are a lot of things which are highlighted. So I've removed them. As you can see, I only left just this one and this one. So I left the low and the high. Average true range 3 low, which is the border below, and the one which is above. The other things, they're just by default. So nothing special. And also in the inputs, I changed to fix it on the daily, as I told you earlier that it's my main time frame. So I hope it is making sense. So that's what I look for on the average true range. And I'm gonna at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you the rules for each time frame. What do I look for on each time frame? It's simple, nothing complicated. So I look at that. So when it's going above, it means that it's a controlled by buyers, or it's some kind of bullish momentum. And if it's below the zero line, it's like bearish power. So I hope it is making sense. Let's go to the second one. I'm gonna hide this one and push this up. So the next indicator that I look for, it is the commodity channel index. So nothing special. This indicator just compare to me current price with the average price. So nothing special, nothing complicated. It shows me or it compares the current price with the average price. So when this CCI indicator is above 100 here, so it's like an oscillator. It's 100 and negative 100. So if it's above 100 here, it means that the price is above average price, and if it's below, it means that price is below average price. So I usually look for those things or for those signals when I'm about to make a decision. I always make sure that if I am to go short or if I am to go I'm to sell, I make sure that the average the commodity channel index is above average, or it is below average. So I always look for those kind of signals to just help me make sure that indeed price is likely to go on the anticipated direction. So nothing complicated. It just helped me to see if price is above average or below average. Let's hide it and let's go to this one. So I hope a lot of you have seen this indicator on my analysis in some of the videos. So this is the MFI or the money flow index. It's just, it acts as an oscillator like the RSI or the stochastic, but the difference is that the money flow index, it is volume based. It includes volume. It doesn't only look at price, just like the relative strength index. It also includes volume. So it gives you a better picture on how price is either overbought or oversold. So I always make sure that if the MFI is above the 80 level here, it indicates some kind of upcoming short move or seller's momentum which is coming in. Same thing applies if it's let me see if there are buyers power. Yeah, so here it was indicating buyers momentum. So when you see a green bars, it means that it is showing you that price is oversold. If you see red bars, it shows you that price is overbought. So that's also what I consider. So currently at this point in time, you can see that it tells me that this is a overbought price, so it might be likely that price is gonna go down. So I hope that is making sense. So let's get to the final piece of the puzzle to just bring all the things together or to just combine everything.